Morning guys, it's been a while since I've had my last upload and I have a lot of explaining to do, but I'm just gonna go right into it. By the title of today's video, you guys can already tell we're gonna be going and fooling around with none of my cars because they're all in the shop. I'm actually on my way to go visit our boy Dustin. I gotta help him out with his 350Z. I don't think I've given a full in-depth video about his Z because his build is sick. But if it's you guys' first time seeing any of my videos, or if just frankly if you guys haven't subscribed yet, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Subscribe if you guys want to see more automotive content from Hawaii. This channel is for you. What's up, Chief?
What's up?
Alright, quick rundown of what we're doing today. We're gonna be going ahead and data logging and tuning Dustin's supercharged 350Z NISMO. Now, this is my first time ever experiencing this, so as much as I can try to record, I'm gonna record it for you guys. But we're gonna be doing a lot of driving back and forth, so stick tight. Yeah, you're just rolling through it, yeah?
Yeah, check out.
Wait.
Yeah, it's this way.
This way? Hitting 4K RPM, so we're sending that to the tuner, and then now we're gonna do a lot more pulls after that. Well, obviously it's gonna get a lot more rowdy after, but we gotta get this one in first. We got the updated tune loading, ready to go. Try putting two 200+ pound guys in a Z.
Oh shit!
You barely fit in here, bro. Okay, so we got 50% more. So log the idle.
Logging and tracing. And then, yeah, just press the red button.
How long?
30 seconds.
30 seconds. Okay, 30 seconds. Gonna send that, yeah?
Yeah. No, save that
Save
for
it,
now.
save it.
And I gotta do the other one.
Okay.
Because he said separate log, I think, the 35.
Here we go. Felt strong. Tap it. New one going in.
I'm watching the air-fuel ratio.
Alright. Switching to the phone.
3, yeah?
3-2 red. Yeah, it's going, it's going. get some coffee. Actually, now that you guys can actually see the car out, look at that bad boy. Headlight delete, left and right.
Boost weather.
Boost weather. Thank God the rain held up because it's been raining all week. So, man, this thing looks so clean with Nismo wheels. Best Nismo wheels ever. Of course, you got Tomei. Running strong now. A few more revisions.
A few more.
Yeah. But this thing is sick, dude. Oh, your R888's in the back too.
Hey, but GTR pulls are fucking way different levels. Cause
Yeah.
when I first rolled James's one with Marcus, holy fuck.
Oh yeah.
Just one small, like even like I think me and Marcus did like a small pull from like here to there, the example. But
Torque is different now.
Racing King, like, oh what the fuck?
Yeah. The torque spectrum is different.
Oh, because I thought it was gonna be different too. Cause
Rear wheel used to this,
yeah, brought a fucking grip. I'm like,
Yeah. Made it back home safely. Take a look at that engine bay though. Still in supercharged, low miles, 350Z Nismo. For sale, 20 grand, yeah?
Oh shit.
Promise comes with tail lights and front headlights. This thing is sick. Last pull we had was at about 10 pounds of boost and it's strong. Couple more revisions. And this thing is ready to boogie to the max. All right, one more revised map. Rain is slowly coming down. The things we do for our cars.
Oh shit.
Let's go.
Yeah, it's going.
That blow off is insane. Well, I think that's the final revision. Actually, Dustin, give everybody a rundown of where this car's been from the last 2 years.
Oh, it's been sitting inside my garage the whole 2 years. Freaking back order on parts.
Right? COVID, everything, yeah.
COVID, oh frick, a lot of things. The install, everything.
Fueling.
Yeah, fueling, simple stuff, but got it to work today.
Running strong. I think the car is, from when we first started, you can already tell from the idle that like it just sounded a little too rowdy, but now it's running a lot smoother. And we were just talking about earlier, you get the best of both worlds when you have a boosted car and you have working AC. So that's a plus for today. Hey guys, so it's already a few days after filming today's video. I'm literally like editing it right now, doing the finishing touches. But one thing that I forgot to mention that I really wanted to express to you guys was that when tuning your cars, especially for those of you guys that have, you know, like a lot of extensive mods, your tuner is very important, and I recommend doing your due diligence of like finding the right tuner that'll suit, you know, your build and what you want for the car. Also because, you know, like just for like an average, you know, car enthusiast, you know, you guys put a lot of time and effort into, you know, the mods that you want to do for the car, especially when it comes to the performance mods. And, you know, tuning to me is tuning, and also if you have like a builder or mechanic, you know, they go hand in hand. You know, you can have a really good builder, but you know, if you have a really bad tuner, that just won't jive. And vice versa, if you have a good tuner but a really bad person that does the work, or, you know, if anybody just does bad work for your car, yourself included as well, you know, that just won't go hand in hand with each other. So all the time you guys also spend for, you know, the mechanical side of the car, you also should really like take the time and do your due diligence of finding the right tuner for your car. And I speak from experience because you know, when I was going around and trying to figure out who's gonna tune my car and all this stuff, you know, I asked people, I check forums, you know, like those kind of stuff, and just those small things can really, you know, it'll go a long way. So and especially if you're doing street tuning compared to doing it on a dyno, just remember that you guys need to set a good amount of time out of your day to get it done, because there's a lot of communication back and forth. Not like where you're on the dyno and then usually like that time is blocked off and you know your tuner is gonna be more responsive. I'm gonna leave it as that. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Update on the GTR is gonna be coming on the next video, so be on the lookout for that as well, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Remember, you guys are all called to be great in your own way, and most importantly, stay driven.